Namaskar. Today I am uploading my video on Sushil Kumar Shinde. Sushil Kumar Shinde, he wrote his autobiography recently, which was published by none other than Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, who is incidentally Dalit like Sushil Kumar Shinde, in which Shinde said that we need to have a different approach about Savarkar, as Hindutva and all that. This is against the backdrop that Rahul Gandhi is always criticizing Savarkar, saying Maafi Veer, which he did even last year also. Savarkar was getting pension of 60 rupees from British government, and most important, Savarkar, though he was discharged from the allegation and he released, but he was one of the accused in Mahatma Gandhi murder case. Now here Shinde is advocating that we should consider his scientific approach towards life, and we should consider his approach of bringing the untouchables in the mainstream, the way he did that. So we should consider all that. He said that I am also Dalit, I know what he did and all that. The question is no doubt about the Savarkar's work, but how can one ignore that Savarkar sent nearly 10 to 12 letters, either himself or through his relatives, whatever, to British government, requesting to pardon, for which he is being criticized as Maafi Veer. He was getting pension of rupees 60 per month, and most important, he was one of the accused in Mahatma Gandhi murder case. Now Mr. Shinde wants that we should ignore this Hindutva and all that. We should concentrate on his scientific approach and the efforts to bring untouchables in the so-called untouchables in the mainstream and all that. This is not something new for Congress. This had happened earlier, a few years before. Since 1969 till 2017, Pranav Mukherjee enjoyed all the posts at the central level, from the minister to the president, except twice, according to his own version, he was denied the prime ministership. Once in 1984, after the death of Indira Gandhi, somewhere he said that it's his term to be the prime minister, being his senior most, and then started his in a way exile period within Congress. Rather, he was thrown from the Congress. Then he was brought back by Narasimha Rao. Then he went even again close to Sonia Gandhi. But in 2004, when the time came who should be the prime minister, so Sonia Gandhi just continued what the decision taken by Nehru Gandhi clan, not to have any politician as the prime minister, and preferred Dr. Manmohan Singh as the prime minister. And Pranav Mukherjee, who once appointed Dr. Manmohan Singh as the RBI governor, continued to be the senior minister in his cabinet. So Mr. Mukherjee in 2018, retiring after the presidentship, he went to the RSS function in Nagpur, for which he was criticized by his daughter also. But he said, I am going there and saying the Congress views, I will continue with the secular views and all that. But the point is this: Mr. Pranav Mukherjee visited RSS office and program, and he wrote in the book that Hedgewar was the patriot, the RSS founder. Is that same thing is happening with Mr. Shinde? Actually, Shinde has got everything. He was close to become the vice president, but he could not. He got defeated. He was the home minister. He was the first Dalit chief minister of Maharashtra. According to rumors, I'm using the word rumors because I know you people have also come across the same rumors, that his daughter, who is MP Praniti Shinde, is likely to get married with leader of the opposition Rahul Gandhi. That's the rumors that is going on social media. He has nearly got everything. So then what exactly happened that Shinde has had to write like this? Is it the chauvinistic approach being the Maharashtrian and supporting another Maharashtrian? Is that the way? Well, why Mr. Shinde is ignoring that three facts that Mr. Savarkar, Savarkar apologized. Savarkar was getting pension from British government, and Savarkar was one of the accused in Mahatma Gandhi murder case. Well, give me your views. I am ready to reply. My channel has reached nearly 800 subscribers and close to 35,000 viewers. Take me as quickly as you can, only you can do it. Reach me with 1,000 subscribers and 50,000 viewers. Dhanyavad.